As the demand for high output and efficiency continues to grow in the material handling industry, the need for capable and multifunctional conveyors is higher than ever. The ability to handle a diverse array of products and materials while keeping labor costs down is an ever-moving target for distribution operations. Powered belt conveyor is a staple in manufacturing and distribution across the U.S., conveying a wide variety of shapes, sizes, and types of products. Decades of building customer relationships and actively listening, along with 25 years of proven technology, evolved Series K into what it is today. Benefits that bring throughput. The ideal system enables higher rates that keep up with the demand of the industry. Flexibility. This allows diversity in product form factors for a variety of applications able to adapt as business and order profiles vary. Dependable. Built and designed to take what you give it. Rest easy. Series K, a proven platform from True, delivers these benefits through the application of configurable modules. One of the most common applications in a fulfillment center is a pick-to-pack solution, which utilizes Series K's compact and efficient design. An example of this is the Series K End Drive. Its best-in-class low-clearance drive design makes it the obvious choice for stacked, in-rack, or other conveyor solutions in tight spaces. The component's increased capacity allows for longer conveyor runs with fewer drives. All hardware is impact wrench accessible. This allows for easy maintenance and installation. The clear plastic take-up cover reduces maintenance by making inspections fast. Redesigned pulleys and rollers allow for smoother product handling and increased durability. Accessible drive and take-up pulleys create quick and easy access from top and bottom of conveyor. Another example is the Series K Waterfall, which is a set 2-in-1 end-terminal-to-end-terminal transition module. It utilizes a compact design to transition empty cartons or bulk handling without changing the elevation of the run, which reduces the vertical footprint and increases the number of workstations in your operation. The snub adjustment brackets improved design allows for maintenance and installation to track belts faster. 7.5-inch frame depth saves space over other traditional unit-to-unit transition methods. Belt path routing labels make installing or replacing belts simple. Transition filler plate reduces the risk of empty cartons or debris getting caught inside the module. Another element of this pick-to-pack solution is the Series K Power Feeder. It offers multifaceted functions that dramatically increase system flexibility while reducing the number of spare parts. The Power Feeder module allows densely packed conveyables to transfer seamlessly from flat to inclined position. Transparent Power Transfer Guard allows maintenance personnel to safely monitor the condition of the PTO components without having to remove the guard. Quiet timing belts, built to offer a more silent means of power transfer and less maintenance than traditional chain. Pivot brackets allow for the angle of the incline to be 0 to 25 degrees while also smoothing out the product transition. Power Feeder is shipped with a pre-installed high-quality monofilament belt that requires little maintenance after startup. Recent industry challenges have presented a unique opportunity for growth and innovation. Series K addresses and solves several industry-wide issues with its new and intentional design. Valuable customer relationships and continual feedback have resulted in True's ability to provide uncommonly smart solutions and continue to win together.